Hello friends, today we will discuss paper solution of topic matrices and determinant from Gujket 2017. Question number 15. If the area of the triangle with vertices 2, 5, 7k and 3, 1 is 10, then find the value of k. First option is minus 5 or 35. Second option is 5 or minus 35. Third option is 15 or minus 5. And fourth option is minus 5 or minus 25. Now first we discuss how to find the solution. Here this question contain area with 3 vertices are given. Okay. So here we use application of determinant to find area of a triangle. Area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is delta is equal to 1 half x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Whenever area is given, use both positive and negative value of the determinant for calculation. So you have to remember this point. Okay. So whenever here area is given 10. Okay. So area is given. So in this case we have to consider delta is equal to plus and minus both. So now put area is equal to 10. Here 1 half plus or minus delta. Now here 2 shift here. So 10 to the 20 is equal to plus or minus. Here write determinant. Now this column contain all elements 1. So using this first row convert this element 0. Same way again using this row contain these elements 0. Okay. So row 1 multiply by minus 1 add in second. So we get 7 minus 2 here 5 here k minus 5 and here 1 minus 1 0. Same way row 1 multiply by minus 1 add in third row. So we get 3 minus 2 here 1 1 minus 5 minus 4 and 1 minus 1 0. So here we observe that in this determinant here first row and third column these contain element 1. Okay, and maximum number of zeros. So using this row evaluate the determinant. So 1 as it is. After here do the cross multiplication. So we get 5 into minus 4 minus 20 minus 1 into k minus 5 minus k minus 5. So here we have 20 plus or minus. Now do the simplification of this. Minus 20 plus 5 minus 15 minus k. Here it contains both the sign plus and minus. So one time consider plus sign, second time consider negative sign. So 20 is equal to minus 15 minus k or 20 is equal to minus in bracket minus 15 minus k. Now solve these two equations for k. So we get k is equal to minus 35 or k equal to 5. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 16, Gujket 2017. The same question is asked in Gujket 2018 paper also. If k equal to p plus q plus r, then value of k plus r, p, q, r, k plus p, q, r, p, k plus q is blank. Four options are, first is 2k square, second is 2k raised to 3, third is k raised to 3 and fourth option is 3k square. Here we have to find the value of determinant. Okay, and one condition is given k equal to p plus q plus r. So now use this condition to evaluate the determinant. This is our given determinant. In this determinant, column 2 multiply by 1 add in first and column 3 multiply by 1 add in first column. So here we get k plus r plus p plus q first element. Same way r plus k plus p plus q second element and r plus p plus k plus q third element. Second column and third column remain as it is. After here use the condition p plus q plus r equal to k is given to us. So here k plus k become 2k. Same way again here p plus q plus r equal to k and again here p plus q plus r equal to k. So here we get 2k common. Second column and third column remain as it is. From this take 2k outside. So first column become 1 1 1. Second column, third column as it is. Again here using last row convert second row these elements 0 and first row these elements 0. So row 3 multiply by minus 1 add here. So we get 1 minus 1 0 k plus p minus p. Here we get k q minus k minus q. Q minus q cancel out here minus k. Same way row 3 multiply by minus 1 add in first. So we get 1 minus 1 0 p minus p again here 0 and q minus k minus q. So q cancel out, minus k. Now in this determinant, here this column contain maximum number of 0. So using 1, evaluate the determinant. So 1 is as it is. Now do the cross multiplication. Here 0 into minus k 0 and k into minus k square. Now simplify this. So we get the answer 2k raised to 3. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 17, Gujket 2017. If maximum and minimum values of d equal to, in determinant, first row is 1 minus cos theta minus 1. Cos theta 1 minus cos theta 1, cos theta 1 are p and q respectively, then the value of 2p plus 3q is blank. First option is 16, second is 6, third is 14 and fourth option is 8. Here one determinant is given, and with determinant here the condition is that this determinant has maximum value p and minimum value q. Okay, so first of all we have to find the value of this determinant. After find range of d, and from range it is possible to find p, that is maximum value, and q, that is minimum value. After getting p and q, put in this, so we get the answer. First find d. So d is given, d equal to this determinant. Now solve this determinant using first row. So here 1 as it is, do multiplication 1 minus minus plus cos square theta. Here second element minus cos theta, so minus minus become plus cos theta. Here hide this column and this row, so we get cos theta minus minus plus cos theta. Here this element minus 1, hide this row, this column, so we get cos square theta minus 1. After simplification of this, we get the answer d equal to 2, 1 plus cos square theta. Okay. So now this one is the value of our determinant. Now the next step is that we have to find the range of this capital D. From this range, we can find maximum and minimum value. Here in this, the function cos is given. So now we know the range of the cosine function. Cos function range is minus 1 to 1. Okay. So what is the range of cos square theta? Cos square theta, then minus 1 become plus 1. Okay, so range of the cos square theta is 0 to 1. So 0 less than or equal to cos square theta less than or equal to 1. Now here we have to set these term. Okay, so first of all with cos square theta add plus 1 and then multiply by 2. So do 1 by 1. First cos square theta we have, add 1 both the sides. So we get 1 less than or equal to 1 plus cos square theta less than or equal to 1 plus 1. After do the multiplication by 2. So 2 multiplied by 1 less than or equal to 2 in bracket this value less than or equal to 2 into 2. So we get 2 less than or equal to, this value is nothing but our determinant d, less than or equal to 4. So what is the range of the determinant d? The range of d is 2 to 4. Okay. So minimum value of d is 2 and maximum value is 4. So this one is the value of q and this one is the value of p. Now put this value in here, 2p plus 3q. So p is 4, q is 2. So here we get answer 14. So option 3 is the correct option. Question number 18, Gujket 2017. If matrix A equal to first row is 1 4 4, second is 4 1 4, third row is 4 4 1, then a square minus 6a is equal to blank. First option is 27i3, second option is 5i3, third option is 20i3 and fourth option is 30i3. Here i3 is identity matrix of order 3. Okay. Now this question is very easy question. Simply we have to find here a square minus 6a. Okay. So we get the answer. So a square minus 6a, A matrix into A matrix minus 6 into A matrix. After multiplication we get this matrix minus here 6 is multiplied to each and every element, so we get this matrix. Now do the subtraction. So 33 minus 6, 27, 24 minus 24, 0, again 24 minus 24, 0. So after subtraction we get this matrix. From this take 27 common. So here we have diagonal elements 1 1 1. So this matrix is nothing but identity matrix of order 3. So that's why here I3. So the answer is 27 I3. Option is 1 is the correct option. Question number 19, Gujket 2017. If first matrix 2 3 4, in second matrix 1x3 2 4 5 3 2x, x 2 0 equal to 0, then x equal to blank. First option is 7 by 3, second option is 5 by 3, third option is minus 5 by 3, and fourth option is minus 7 by 3. Here matrix multiplication is given. Okay, so multiplication of three matrices are given, which is same as 0. After matrix multiplication, here use the concept of equality of matrices, and on that base find the value of x. Now do the matrix multiplication. For first matrix, here check the condition. Number of column of first matrix is same as number of row of second matrix. So now matrix multiplication is possible, and the resultant matrix is of order 1 by 3. Now here do the matrix multiplication. These row multiply by first this column. So 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6, 4 threes are 12. Same way these row multiply by this column. So we get 2x, 4 threes are 12, and 4 twos are 8. Same way here these row multiply by the last column. So we get 3 twos are 6 plus 5 threes are 15 plus 4x. This matrix keep as it is equal to 0. Now after addition, here we get 20, 2x plus 20, 21 plus 4x, and this matrix keep as it is equal to 0. This matrix is of order 1 by 3, and this one is of 3 by 1. Again here check the condition. The number of column is same as number of row. Okay, so here matrix multiplication is possible, and after multiplication we get 1 by 1 matrix, that is we get single element. Now here do the matrix multiplication. So 20 into x plus 2 multiply with this 2x plus 20 plus 21 plus 4x into 0 equal to 0. So this term cancel out. Here after simplification we get the answer x equal to minus 5 by 3. So the correct option is option 3.